How to change Google profile picture. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways to change your profile picture on Google. In order to change your profile picture, first thing first, check your internet connection and go ahead and open up any of your accounts. Now for example, I'm just doing it from my web browser. So once you open up a web browser, you'll be able to see a profile icon in the top right hand side corner. Once you tap the profile icon here, you'll be able to see a list of accounts that's associated on your device. So if you want to select the particular account, then tap on it, or else just tap the pencil shape icon look next to your profile picture. And as you can see, currently I've not added any of the profile pictures. So to add a profile picture or to change a profile picture, all you have to do is just tap the add profile picture button right at the bottom. So after that, you'll be suggested by the Google itself, or else you can just go ahead and open up your device's photo store and tap the continue button, and make sure to allow all of the necessary permission, and you can simply go ahead and select the particular profile picture that you wish to add it to your Google. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and select the particular one. Let's go with this one and tap the done button if you're sure about it. So it's gonna take a while in order to upload a photo. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and make changes with your photo as well, and tap the next button if you're sure about it, and tap on save as profile picture. Once you do this, the profile picture will be saved, and this is how you can change your profile picture on Google. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.